In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture, we can see 4 people sitting together and watching a television screen. They are sitting in a cozy living room that is decorated for Christmas. The people are turned away from the camera, so we only see their backs. On the left side of the picture, there is a big Christmas tree. The tree is decorated with red baubles, golden lights, and some other ornaments. It gives a warm and festive feeling to the room. The person on the far left is wearing a yellow jumper and has dark hair tied in a bun. Next to her is a young girl who is wearing a red Santa hat with white trim. Her long brown hair is in a braid, and she is wearing a green hoodie. She looks like she might be a daughter or granddaughter. Next to the girl is a woman with brown hair tied up in a messy bun. She is wearing a red jumper with a white pattern on the shoulder. She could be the mother of the child, and she is sitting close to her. The last person on the right is an elderly woman with short grey hair. She is wearing glasses and a dark green top. Her hand is gently resting on the back of the woman beside her, showing warmth and care. They are all looking at the television, which is showing a Christmas-themed program. On the screen, we can see an image of Santa Claus flying in front of the moon. The background of the TV screen is blue with snowflakes and stars, creating a magical feeling. There is a white curtain near the window and a green plant in the corner of the room. The lighting in the room is soft and warm, adding to the calm and happy mood. The family looks relaxed and comfortable as they enjoy watching a Christmas movie together. This picture shows a peaceful family moment during the holiday season. It gives the feeling of love, togetherness, and festive joy.